Welcome to Ask My Definition. From now, we are going to start Class 12 Standard, NCERT, CBSE, Unit 10, Haloalkanes and Haloarenes. As you know, the chapter has been put in the Term 1 syllabus, for which the examination will be held in the month of November and December. So let us start our preparation. First asking, what are haloalkanes and haloarenes? Haloalkanes and haloarenes are the organic compound having the halogen as the functional group. These particular compounds can be classified on two bases. In the first hand, on the basis of halogen, which are connected to the alkanes or arenes, we have divided them into monohalide, dihalide and polyhalide. In specifically, we need to understand in detail about the dihalides. Dihalides are of two particular halogen connected to the alkane molecule or arene molecule. They are further of two types. The first one, vicinal dihalide. The second one, geminal dihalide. Vicinal dihalide, in which both the halide group present on the neighboring carbon atom, which are commonly named as alkaline dihalides. For example, you can see here Cl, CS2, CS2, Cl, by name ethylene dichloride. In the case of geminal dihalides, both halide group present on same carbon atom in the molecule. You can see the example here, the Cl connected to CH, in turn CS3. The name of this particular compound is ethylene dichloride, or else you can also name it as 1,1 dichloroethane, and these are called as geminal dihalides. So once we understood the classification on the basis of number of halogen associated, the second type of classification we look forward for is the type of hybridization what the carbon has got in the molecule. In the case of monohalides, we see that the halogen which is connected to the carbon will always possess sp3 hybridization. So carbon having sp3 connected to halogen type of haloalkanes or haloarenes can be divided into three major categories. The first one, alkyl halide, in which CS3, CS2, Cl, the R group is connected to halogen directly, where in the R group one of the carbon connected to halogen will be sp3 hybridized. In specific, the example by name is chloroethane. In the second type, we have allylic halide, in which the halogen connected to sp3 hybridized carbon, that carbon in turn connected to sp2 hybridized, or an alkene connected molecule is having the direct bond with the sp3 hybridized carbon connected to halogen. In specifically, you can see here 1-chloro-but2-ene, an example of allylic halide. In the third type, we have benzylic halide, which is an haloarenes, in which we have an sp3 hybridized carbon connected to benzene ring, which is sp2 hybridized in the conjugated system, having halogen, in particularly C6H5CH2Cl. This compound is named as benzylic halide, in particularly benzylic chloride. In the second category of the classification on the basis of hybridization, we see halogen connected to sp2 hybridized carbon type. We further have here vinylic halides and aryl halides. Let us understand what are vinylic halides. Those organic compounds connected with halogen functional group having sp2 hybridization. They are known as vinylic halides. Here an example for this, CS2 double bond CHCl, which is by name chloroethene. And let us understand what are aryl halides. Aryl halides are those organic compounds in which the halogen is connected directly to the benzene ring. They are known as aryl halides. C6H5Cl, by name aryl chloride. Once we know the classification of haloalkanes and haloarenes, by now we are ready to understand how to prepare or synthesize haloalkanes and haloarenes. First, let us understand the first part, preparation of haloalkanes in detail. Then we will move forward to discuss preparation of haloarenes. Haloalkanes can be synthesized from alcohol. These alcohols can be converted into alkyl halides by using suitable halogenating agents. Generally, the reaction proceeds via carbocation intermediate. You already have learnt in class 11 standard what are carbocation intermediates. Now, if you see the halogenating agents here, we have the anhydrous zinc chloride in presence of hydrogen halide, sulfonyl dichloride, phosphorus pentachloride, phosphorus trichloride, red phosphorus in presence of halogen. All these molecules which are halogenating by nature, they will convert this alcoholic functional groups into the haloalkanes, and also they will give out some byproducts. In specifically, we prefer in this particular category the sulfonyl dichloride, which has releasing sulfur dioxide and hydrogen chloride as the gaseous byproducts. The main reason behind this is they will escape from the reaction vessel, leaving behind only the haloalkane. The problem with this particular process is we cannot synthesize fluoroalkanes. The reason behind this is the fluorine being the highly reactive element and a very electronegative element by nature. We cannot synthesize fluoroalkanes by using sulfonyl dichloride. And the another important thing to note here is the haloarenes type cannot be synthesized from this particular method. Once we know how it is synthesized from alcohols, let us now understand how can we synthesize by the help of hydrocarbons. From the hydrocarbons, we have conversion of haloalkanes. Preparation of haloalkanes by the help of alkane molecule. From alkane, it can be converted into haloalkane by the help of free radical halogenation. Also, we have one more method in which electrophilic addition of hydrogen halide to the unsaturated alkanes can be taken place. Here you see, from alkanes we synthesize haloalkane by using halogen molecule directly reacting with ethane, converting into chloroethane in presence of high temperature and energy. But the limitation of this particular process are these reaction gives complex mixture of isomers, and also sometime they give polyhalogenated product as well. That means not the monohalide, we may also get dihalide, polyhalide, etc. And the third limitation, fluoroalkanes cannot be prepared from this particular method even, that is again due to violent reaction of fluorine. In specifically, if you observe this particular replacement, what we are taking of hydrogen from the halogen molecule, it will be arranged in the order of tertiary molecules undergoing the halogenation easily as compared to secondary, as compared to primary. So the ease of replacement of hydrogen follows the order tertiary greater than secondary greater than primary. Now let us understand how can we synthesize by using alkenes, an unsaturated compound. Alkenes with halo acids or halogens converts into haloalkanes. For example, you can take ethene reacting with hydrogen chloride, giving rise to chloroethane. This particular process takes place in the form of Markovnikov rule, wherein the negative part of the addendum goes and attaches to that carbon which is having less number of hydrogen. In specifically, if you would have taken propene plus hydrogen halide, that is CH3 CH double bond CH2 plus HCl, it would have given you the secondary halogenated alkane. Now taking the second part of this type, that is ethene reacting with chlorine molecule. This particular process actually happens in presence of a suitable solvent by name carbon tetrachloride. It is again an addition reaction of halogen to the alkene molecule, which results in the formation of vicinal dihalides. In here you can see vicinal dichloride forming. In the third type of synthesis of this haloalkane, we have halogen exchange method. The importance of this method is, we have seen from the past two reactions that the fluoroalkanes or iodoalkanes, the synthesis of them was somewhat difficult. So to synthesize this fluoroalkanes, we use this halogen exchange method. For this, we have two named reaction which are very important from your exam point of view. You can remember the two names by the help of FS-Fi. FS-Fi, in which the fluorine will be exchanged in the case of Schwarz reaction, iodine will be exchanged in the Finkelstein reaction. You can remember this small acronym, FS-Fi. Let us understand now what is Finkelstein reaction, what is Schwarz reaction. Finkelstein reaction is the preparation of alkyl iodide by the reaction of haloalkane with the sodium iodide in presence of dry acetone. The reaction proceeds in this particular way, wherein an insoluble salt of sodium will be formed and precipitated in the product side, which in turn provides only iodine substituted alkane as the product. And in the case of Schwarz reaction, we see that the preparation of alkyl fluoride by heating the chloroalkane or bromoalkane in presence of metallic fluorides takes place. Metallic fluorides can be silver fluoride, mercuric fluoride, cobalt fluoride, etc. The haloalkane which we have taken of chlorine or bromine reacts with silver fluoride in the presence of heat. It will convert into fluoroalkane, and then product is, as a byproduct is formed, silver halide. So by this we now are clear with the three preparation methods of haloalkanes: by alcohol, by hydrocarbons, and by halogen exchange method. Now we are ready to move forward for preparation of haloarenes, which is the last part of this particular episode. In the next episode, we will be looking forward for properties in detail. In the preparation of haloarenes, we have two important methods. The first one electrophilic substitution reaction. In this case, we are going to take benzene ring and an halogen gas in presence of anhydrous aluminum trichloride, which acts as an Lewis acid, which can accept a pair of electron, and it in turn converts the benzene ring into chlorobenzene in presence of chlorine molecule. But for this particular process is not suitable in the synthesis of fluoro and iodobenzene. And the second type of preparation of this haloarenes is from using diazonium salts, sodium nitrite and hydrochloric acid. Together they form diazonium solution. This particular reagent, once used against the aniline benzene ring connected to NH2, converts into diazonium chloride, which on the reaction with copper chloride hydrochloric acid or copper bromide hydrogen bromide, based on the type of halogen connected, we are going to get the halogenated benzene rings or arene rings, which are of aryl halide type. In specifically, if chlorine is used as the copper chloride, then we will be getting chlorobenzene. If bromine is used, then we will get bromobenzene. These reactions are actually named as Sand-Meyer's process, in which diazonium salts can be heated with the copper chloride or copper bromide, resulting in displacement of diazo group by chlorine or bromine. In the third type of the diazonium salt heating, we now heat in presence of potassium iodide, which results in the synthesis of iodobenzene or aryl iodide. Lastly, we can also synthesize fluorobenzene here by the help of heating the diazonium chloride in the presence of HbF4. Tetrafluorohydrogen boride. We will get fluorinated benzene ring. This is how we synthesize haloarenes. By this, I guess you are now clear with the preparation methods and the nomenclature of haloalkanes and haloarenes. In the next class, we will be discussing in detail about the preparation and the properties of haloalkanes and haloarenes in detail. Until then, stay connected to Ask Me a Definition and do subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.